Hello everyone, my name is Vishal
Hi,
Mehta
myself
and I
Vishal.
I
I
completed a
have
3-month
completed
internship
my
under Unified Mentor
internship with
internship program
Unified
as a data
Mentor
science
as a
intern.
full stack
So
web
during this
development
internship, I
intern. It
worked on
was a
5 real
great
world
learning
data
experience.
science
I
projects.
got to work on the
These
projects
includes
like
customer satisfaction
weather
prediction,
app, which uses
tobacco
API
mortality risk
integration, or
analytics,
student teacher
climate change
booking
modeling,
appointments,
retail
which
sales
also uses
analytics,
Firebase
and
and
road
Cloud
accident data
Firestore.
analysis for
I
Indian
had
cities.
such a
I
great
gained
time
hands-on
working on this
experience in data
project, which
processing, EDA,
makes
feature
my
engineering,
knowledge or,
machine learning
my
model building,
theoretical knowledge worked
evaluation,
into the
and
practical ones.
interpretation of
It
results. I
improved
also
my
worked with
skills in
libraries like
HTML,
Pandas,
CSS,
NumPy,
JavaScript,
scikit-learn,
and
Matplotlib,
also
and
I
Cuen.
happened to learn
So
new
the
skills
best
like
part of this
React,
internship
Node,
was working on
and
real
Firebase
data
as
set
well.
from different domains such as
I had
healthcare,
such a great time.
environment,
Overall, the
retail, and
mentors
transportation,
in Unified
which
Mentor
helped
are
me
so
understand
supportive.
how data
Any
science
doubts
is
can be
applied
solved if I
in
message them
solving
or
real
call
world
them in any
problems.
time, which
And in
was a
last,
great
I
thing
would
which
like to
makes
thank
every
Unified
task
Mentor for
easier.
providing the valuable
Thank
learning
you,
opportunity
Unified
and
Mentor,
helping me
for
strengthen
giving me this
my
opportunity, and
practical
I'll
skills in
recommend to
data
all the
science and machine
students to
learning.
gain the
Thank you.
work experience and the real life
Hello
experience
everyone.
through this.
My name is
Thank you.
Vishal Mehta.